Hi everyone, we're going to determine whether, given the information, if we have one triangle, two triangles, or no triangles. And I'm going to do three on this one, three examples. So our first one is beta equals 20 degrees, my A is 5, and my B is 1. So I'm going to draw my little generic triangle here, and I'm going to go ahead and put beta here. The side across from beta is little b, so I'll put 1, and I'm going to go ahead and let this be alpha, and the side across from alpha is 5, and we're going to get it set up. So if this is alpha, this will be my beta, this will be little b. So I'm going to set sine of beta over, no, we're not doing beta, we're doing, this would be gamma, because that's what we're missing. Sorry about that. All right, so we have sine of beta over little b equals sine of alpha over little a. Therefore, sine of 20 over 1 equals sine of alpha over 5. You cross multiply, you get 5 sine of 20 equals sine of alpha. And when you put this in the calculator, you're going to get 1.71 equals sine of alpha, which is impossible because remember, sine is y over r, or you could even say hypotenuse or opposite over hypotenuse. Well, the hypotenuse has to be bigger than the opposite side. So this number here has to be less than 1, and 1.71 is greater than 1. So therefore, there's no triangle. This doesn't even make a triangle. It's going to be something like this. There's no way this reaches down to even make a triangle. Okay, let's try the next one. We have alpha equals 60 degrees, A equals 2, and C equals 5. I'm going to draw a generic triangle. I'm going to put my alpha here. A goes across from that, and here I'm going to put gamma and C, so this is going to be your beta B. And I'm going to use my law of sine. Sine of 60 over 2, this is actually 5, equals sine of gamma over 5. You cross multiply, you get 5 sine of 60 over 2 equals sine of gamma. I'm going to put this in the calculator, and I get this is 2.17, which equals my sine of gamma, which is impossible. It can't equal that because sine of gamma has to be less than, it could actually equal 1, but let's just say less than 1. If it equals 1, then it'd be a right triangle. So there's no triangle here. It's just like the last one. And the last one we have is, let's see, gamma equals 20, A equals 3, and C equals 1. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. We haven't been having luck. I'm just going to go ahead and write it. Sine of 20 over 1 equals sine of alpha over 3. We get 3 sine of 20 equals sine of alpha. 3 sine of 20 is 1.02, which is greater than 1. So that means there's no triangle. Again, it's like this side over here, this 3, and this is only 1, and it's way too big to even make a triangle. Okay, thank you. That's all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.